All right, guys. So today we have a project with Johnny.
Hi.
What are we doing today, Johnny?
We're gonna put an
SR20 motor's a pull-up premium 1 week before race wars, huh?
Yeah, probably.
And we're gonna get it done in less than 4 hours. SR swap.
Oh, and there's an SR20 in here. We can open it.
Oh hey, what's going on, guys? No big deal, just with prepping for race wars here. Welcome to Jared Santiago's channel. Like, subscribe if you're new. We're gonna be putting this piece of shit and that piece of shit. Alright guys, new long block. We hope this one has good pistons, because you know mine, they just went kind of kaboom. So we're gonna take this piece of shit, swap accessories, swap turbo, swap manifolds, swap some water pumps, thermostats, clutch, flywheel, put the trans on and send it. 3, 2.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci.
All right, so a little bit of back information on Gabe's car. He's worked really hard on this one, and this is gonna be the one that he went end all be all on. He puts an SR in it, he powder coats everything, makes it look real good. You know, redoes the turbo, does a good manifold, external wastegate setup. It's real pretty, it looked real good. Poor bastard. So the car had 2 bad pistons. He already pulled the SR out last night, and he prepped it all for everything. His old SR's out, and we're gonna swap all the accessories over. We're gonna, everything from his old engine onto this new SR, which is known good, has good compression. He checked it, shouldn't have any problems. And we're gonna put it all together as accurate and as fast as possible.
Johnny, focus the camera.
So Gabe thinks that his half-inch Milwaukee
It's the shit, guys.
is gonna outwork my phone.
Alright, I don't. This is bae. This is bae. I love you, girl. This is my queen.
So Gabriel, what are you doing here?
We're about to remove this intake manifold.
I can't really get out of the light, sorry.
You're good.
Film crew.
Oh my god, the bolts. Fuck. What the f?
Alright, we're at a good stopping point for the night.
That is an excellent stopping point.
Engine is back together. New long block is fully assembled. It's getting pretty late. I want to get home, see my fiance, get warm.
I gotta drive like 30 minutes to bring home.
Put a trans bolt in where the trans goes. Put one of your pressure plate clutch bolts on or whatever. And then when you're torquing it, alright, trans is on. Bolting up the starter, and I guess we'll drop it after that.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh.